Okay, so magandang hapon po sa lahat ng attendees natin. So, especially kay Sir Carl ng NX Tech. So, in behalf of him, ako po si Engineer Jhomel Blanco. So, I am your host for today. I am the Ruijie Certified Engineer and Post-Sales Engineer. So, today our topic is about the Ruijie and Reyee Hospitality Solution. So, Ruijie and Reyee, so pinagsama na. So, we have here from Ruijie, yung Ruijie natin, yung for enterprise, and for Reyee, solution natin or for SMB solutions natin. So, meron tayong mga devices na applicable at may mga solutions or scenarios na applicable kay Ruijie at meron namang scenarios and solution for Reyee. So, pinagsama na sa isang workshop. Ruijie and Reyee. So, before we start, so yun nga, differentiate muna natin si Ruijie at si Reyee. Si Ruijie is the main brand ng ating company. So, Ruijie is the specialized for enterprise solutions. And si Reyee naman for SMB or small businesses solutions natin. Okay, that being said, so let's start. So, malinaw na po yung aking audio, no? Naririnig naman po ako. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa chart na to, meron siyang global hotel industry trends. So over the past 2 years, the hotel industry has experienced a severe winter due to COVID-19 pandemic. So nagkaroon ng regression. So but as the global control and vaccination, ayan, the global hotel scale in 2021 increased by 55%. So bumabalik na po yung industry in hotel. So the post-COVID-19 era, so hotel industry is starting to recover. So in the hospitality industry, the business opportunity are coming up. So let's embrace business growth together. So as we know, high performance Wi-Fi connectivity service now almost equal customer satisfaction for hotel service. So yan yung ating pie dito or diagram na makikita. So ayan yung business satisfaction natin sa hotel. So yan yung pinagtutuunan natin ng pansin. So ang makikita natin or mapapansin natin is yung blue is yung free Wi-Fi, 49%. So for business travelers. Ibig sabihin, malaking porsyento sa experience ng client is yung Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi service is the most important sa hospitality solution natin. And then yung experience nila. So ano nga ba yung meron or requirements natin sa mga Wi-Fi or Star Hotel network requirements sa mga hotel network requirements natin. So especially for hotels. So number one natin is they need uninterrupted or wired or wireless network for both customer and employees. So gusto nila syempre gusto natin uninterrupted. Black yung screen. Why? So hindi po nakikita yung sinishare screen ko. Sir Carl, di pa ba nakikita yung sinishare screen ko? Hello, Sir Carl? Yung Star Hotel page lang. Star Hotel page. Ito po ba? Hindi po ba nakikita? I go back. Siguro nga, sir, sa connection. Siguro, sir. Okay, so i-go back ko na lang po dun sa Star Hotel. Ayan po yung ating slide dun. So yan yung mga requirements natin sa Star Hotels. Yan yung uninterruptible for both wired and wireless. Yan, complete hotel Wi-Fi coverage in all areas. Syempre, hindi hindi na lang sa loob ng room naggumagamit ng wifi yung ating mga guests. So of course, minsan sa mga function hall, sa mga dining area, or sa even mismo sa swimming pool, gusto nila meron ka ng internet doon. So easy handy para pag may meeting sila, so hindi na nila kailangan pumunta pa sa rooms nila. So kahit nasan sila ng part ng yung hotel, gusto nila meron silang connectivity sa internet. And of course, another requirements natin dito sa internet ng hotel solution is yung guest natin magkaroon ng authentication. So we offer authentication like voucher authentication for guests and account authentication naman for employees. We are offering this to promote our hotel, of course, and para mapakita na rin natin yung mga services. So after niyang mag-login dun sa voucher login, so gusto natin merong post login URL na which is makikita dun yung services ng hotel natin. So one of the advertisement sa mga hotel solutions natin. So gusto natin pakita na kay client or kay guest yung ating mga services na ino-offer sa kanya. So para mas maengganyo si client or mas babalik sa atin si client in the future. So kung bibisita siya ulit dun sa lugar na yon. So excuse me. So another requirement is to guarantee the video conference stream priority for business travelers. So ito number one another requirement ito yung video conferencing. So share ko lang sa inyo one of my experience siguro nagkaroon ako ng business trip siguro kung sa Cebu, and then one of my hotel na napagstayan is medyo mahina yung reception ng internet nila. So I don't know if anong ginagamit nilang access point or devices doon sa hotel nila. So hindi ko na naitanong. So medyo mahina. So malakas lang sa mga rooms pagdating sa mga other na areas nila, so hindi ka so pag may urgent meeting ka, so biglang tumawag si boss mo or biglang tumawag si client mo gusto mong makipag-meeting, so hindi ka makakatakbo agad sa room mo. So I experienced lagging doon sa ano. So kailangan natin ma-provide to kay guest yung streaming nila, video streaming is walang putol or walang lagging. So kailangan straight yung kanilang Wi-Fi or internet connection nila. So dapat maganda yung reception. And the decent appearance to blend with hotel decoration. Of course, ito sa mga designing naman to. So gusto natin na dapat nababagay yung mga devices natin or maganda yung design or yung location ng ating access point. Okay, ayan. So in hospitality solution, so we have here for wireless network. So we have several APs including indoor and outdoor, and also wall plate APs. So all of them are Wi-Fi 6. And for switches naman, we released new models such as 5750H, ayan, 5760 series, ayan, for core switch, and 5300 series for access or aggregation switch. And for the security gateway, we have the new. So upcoming NBR series is coming. So for the management, it is supported by the hybrid style. Like you can combine the wireless controller and the cloud. So you can choose the hybrid. So wireless controller for on-site or local controlling, and for remote, we have the cloud. So what's the Ruijie solution advantage? The first highlight is the enterprise grade products with abundant feature. Ito yung mga 801.11 kVR, RRM 2.0, and SSID based isolation. So yung 802 point 11 is an advanced roaming. So for smooth VIP room and hallway roaming experience. Ito yung para sa roaming. So kunwari, nasa first floor ka, so lilipat ka ng or magro-roam ka, maglalakad ka, pupunta ka ng second floor, dapat walang cut or connection lost or hindi ka na type in or magki-key in ulit ng password nung or ng account mo para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung wifi mo, no? So dapat yung roaming sensitivity ng ating mga access point is walang putol. And then yung advanced RRM 2.0 is yun yung one-click optimization natin with environmental interference detection. So itong advanced RRM na to is function of a cloud, of our cloud. So which is for our devices. So sa mga wireless devices natin, para yung cloud natin is siya na mismo yung magde-detect ng interference, and then siya na mismo yung sasuggest dun sa mga access point kung anong channel maganda itong isang access point located dito. And then siya na din magsasuggest ng power for them. And then yung channel set, lahat ng channel settings. Okay, so another is the advanced isolation. Ito yung SSID-based rules and policies for hotel and guests. So maybe we want to isolate the guest from the employees. So gusto natin, yung mga guest natin, is ang ma-access lang nila is yung network lang nila. So hindi sila makakapasok dun sa employee or sa boss SSID. So hindi nila mapapasok yung main network. So dapat naka-isolate si guest. Oh, yan yung mga feature. And advanced WIDS or WIPS or WPA3 authentication for safeguarding of high-speed user experience. Okay, so solution highlights, we have the high reliability. For second highlight, so via AC plus cloud solution managed with full feature, even internet breaks down, also accessible everywhere with cloud at the same time. So the virtual AC technology allows you using multiple wireless controller like one station. So it supports active backup for load balancing and shared license pool. So on switch, it supports multiple reliable design. So sa mga switches natin, meron ito. Yung VSU or yung virtual switch unit niya natin na tinatawag. So mamaya magdi-deep dive tayo sa kanilang function. Then the RLDP or ito yung protocol na ginagamit for loop preventing or loop prevention. And we have the Xcore or the anti-corrosion. So this is for mga pinagdi-designan natin or mga pinagdi-deployan natin ng switch na mga high humid or yung may mga corrosion. So anti-corrosion to. Para hindi masira agad yung unit natin. So meron siyang conformal coating sa ating switch. And also yung 10 kilovolts surge protection natin. So bakit nga ba? Bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng 10 kilovolt surge protection for our switch kung installed naman siya indoor? So syempre meron kang outdoor access point dyan connected sa switch natin. So maaari maapektuhan din yung switch natin. So kung natamaan yung ng kidlat yung ating access point, so syempre yung outdoor access point natin meron silang lightning protection sa sarili nila sa device na yon. So dapat doon sa switch natin, syempre tutuloy kasi yung lightning strike, so maaring tumuloy sa switch natin, so maaring maapektuhan. So protected yung access point mo, well, paano naman yung switch natin? So kaya nagkaroon din sila ng surge protection. So nilagyan din ng surge protection for our switch. So third highlight is supporting of flexible advanced authentication. Ito na yung advanced authentication natin for our enterprise devices. So yung such as web portal and web portal login. PPSK, ayan, yung PPSK is for unique password for each devices. So, ibabind mo lang yung MAC address ng isang device and then magge-generate na si cloud sa'yo for unique password. So, kahit i-share niya sa ibang device, kung hindi sa MAC address na yon, so hindi siya makakapasok sa internet, so, or hindi siya makagamit na internet. So, unique password for each devices. So, only enrolled devices ang makakonect sa internet pag gumagamit ka ng PPSK. So, kahit i-share ng mga employees mo yung password nila sa ibang device or sa ibang tao, so hindi makakakonect. And also the Hotspot 2.0. So, ito yung para sa seamless experience or yung seamless roaming natin. Okay, so we have here the new indoor EP820L. So let's introduce this AP. So recently we have launched the several models such as AX3000 series Wi-Fi 6 AP. So we have here the AP820L version 3. So anong mapapansin natin? So AP820L version 2 is medyo malaki yung pinagkaiba niya kay version 3. So makikita natin sa design, ayan, one of the differences is the design. So pa-box type si or rectangular shape yung ating AP820L version 2, while yung version 3 natin, so makikita natin just like the normal or ceiling AP naman. So makikita natin square type na siya. So hindi lang sa device or hindi lang sa design yung pinagkaiba nila. Ayan, so ito yung other parameters na pinagkaiba nila. So in 80 MHz, 11AX, 16 user with Intel AX 200 Mbps. So 48% higher yung ating version 3. And for theoretical throughput for Mbps is 66.7% higher. Okay, so AP820L, meron tayo dito unboxing video. So I will just share you para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura ng bagong AP820 natin. So wait lang po, open ko lang yung video and then share my screen. Okay, so wait a while. Ayan, so naman po, no? Kikita po ba, no? So ito po yung unboxing version. So yun po yung ating AP820L version 3. So nakita natin yung unboxing video niya. So next model natin, so for Wi-Fi 6, we have here the AP810L. So bago din po ito, si AP810L. So para we also have launched the new entry level of Wi-Fi 6. So this has AX1800 standard. So it support almost the same function as 820L version 3, only with lower performance. So it's a perfect model to replace the 720L natin, yung Wi-Fi 5. So I think nearly malapit na siyang matanggal. So si 720L, so mag-end of sale. So ito yung pamalit natin, si 810. So Wi-Fi 6 na siya, Wi-Fi 6 model. So another important product for hotel is a wall plate AP. So as long as the guest room with LAN cable structure, we highly recommend to use wall plate AP for excellent coverage. So kung gusto ng client natin na mayroong LAN ports doon sa room na yon, so we recommend to use the wall plate AP. So using existing room cabling, no channel conflict for minimum wireless interference and full coverage in the room. So according to our customer survey and customer site testing, all feedback is 100% in Wi-Fi quality, stability, guest experience are improved. So compared with corridor AP design. So ito yung ating EP810, EP180 rather. So si EP180, Wi-Fi 6 wall plate AP. Yan. So ganyan yung design niya. Meron siyang lightning cover. So to enjoy the stay of the guest sa room. So para ma-cover yung LED light niya. And then meron siyang mga extra LAN ports to connect such as IPTV, IP phone, or you can connect a laptop. So LAN cable to para papunta kay laptop. So gusto ni client mag-LAN LAN, so yan, meron siyang LAN ports. Okay, so for our new layer 3 access or aggregation switch, we have the S5300 series, so which are reliable enterprise grade access switches. So it support failure recovery in 50 milliseconds with VSU feature and avoid network loop issue happens for access layer by the RLDP protocol. So anti-corrosion design, meron siya 10 kilovolts lightning protection and strongly protect, can adapt to harsh environment. So ito yung pamalit natin sa S2910 series natin. So nag-end of sale na yung S2910 natin. So ito na yung new model natin, the S5300. So what is VSU technology? Ayan. So VSU is a virtual switch unit. Yan. So it provides high availability for core switches. So it simplifies the network topology. You can manage switches like one unit. So also support ultra-fast failure recovery in 50 milliseconds and load balance. Okay. So next feature natin is the loop preventing natin. This is for anti-looping. So the protocol used by Ruijie is the RLDP. So kung familiar kayo sa ibang protocol ng other brands, so Ruijie use RLDP for network loops. So it avoid the broadcast storm automatically. It can prevent the looping without complex configuration. So i-enable mo lang siya sa cloud or sa switch natin, yung loop prevention. So no need to use CLI commands. So no complex configuration, meron ka ng anti-looping. So kahit makasaksak ka pa or maisaksak mo na yung isang UTP cable para mag-cause ng loop sa switch natin is mape-prevent niya na and tuloy-tuloy yung functionality ng switch and also magkakaroon ng report dun sa cloud. So magsisend siya ng report. So malalaman mo kung saan port nagkaroon ng looping. And next design natin or next feature na meron si switch is the X-core design. Okay, so napahapyawan ko na si X-core design. So X-core design is in the components of our switches. So para maprotektahan yung mga transistor, capacitors inside the switch. So yan yung conformal coating. So this is for anti-corrosion. Yan. In layman's term, ayan yung insulation for ating mga switches like damp-proof, dust-proof, yan, anti-corrosion, mold-proof, and salt spray resistance. So maganda yan kung in-install mo yung switch mo sa malapit sa seaside, ayan, so dun yung masyadong humid yung weather. So sometimes yun nga, another feature is 10 kilovolts natin na surge protection sa switch. So sometimes hindi lang naman ang nadadamage is yung outdoor access point natin. So maaring madamage din yung switch. So kaya nagkaroon tayo ng design na support up to 10 kilovolts for 10 kilovolts yung 4 ports natin or yung mga surge protection natin for switch. So para hindi maapektuhan, so hindi naman kasi natin masusukat or hindi naman natin mapipigilan yung lightning kung saan lang siya mag-i-strike. So maaaring maapektuhan din yung switch. So here is our introduction. So kanina introduction pala sa ating mga enterprise hospitality. So ito naman yung case natin, success case natin. So this is from Indonesia. So the first case comes from Indonesia. So this is a universal 5-star hotel. So the hotel with a castle design with around 20 centimeter wall thickness. So if the corridor AP can't penetrate thick wall, so our solution is we use a wall plate AP for each guest room. So it solved the unstable Wi-Fi issue inside guest room, and the Ruijie Cloud app helped monitoring the network status anytime and anywhere. So before kasi gumagamit sila ng ceiling AP in the corridor. So they deploy ceiling AP in the corridor. So since makapal yung kanilang wallings, so hindi na makapenetrate yung signal. So signal loss na inside the guest room. So nagkaroon tayo ng solution na magkaroon ng wall plate AP inside the guest room, each guest room. So another case is from Turkey. So this is a 5-star hotel, around 290 guest room. So based on Ruijie Wi-Fi 6 solution, they provide a high internet speed even in high density scenario. So in garden, pools, beach, ayan, meron. So in Ruijie Cloud Management, Hotel IT can solve the network issue in advance before guests complain. Okay, so let us just summarize our Ruijie hospitality solution. So yung first natin na solution is the Ruijie. So we have the Wi-Fi 6 wireless coverage. It has the feature that supports virtual AC technology, hybrid management, the VSU, virtual switch unit, loop prevention, anti-corrosion, and surge protection. So we have 2 words for summary: professional and reliable for Ruijie solution. Okay, so let's proceed to Reyee Hotel solution naman. So ito naman is for the affordable naman. Affordable or budget hotels. So so yung hotel natin is a budget hotel lang, pero gusto natin maka-experience ng enterprise grade. So we have Reyee. So sa mga minimum budget and gusto pa rin natin, pero yung experience is enterprise grade pa rin. So first, let's see what are SI or installer challenges in hotel projects. So for SI, they are difficult to do network planning. When installing the device, it's difficult to do the cabling sometimes. So may also face difficulties of advantage service. Ayan, for example, portal authentication, kailangan pa niyang magkaroon ng knowledge sa XML files or sa pag-config. And after project delivery, from post-sales part naman, maintenance, is also a big challenge. So on-site service again and again. So it will cost a lot of time and money. So how about Ruijie Hotel Solution? So paano sinusolve yung gantong issue or challenge? So let me just share a video again to you.
When your guests come to your hotel, one thing that has never changed is that he or she wants to connect to the Wi-Fi in the guest room, swimming pool, the meeting room, lobby, dining room, anytime and anywhere. Although it is not a 5-star hotel, guests expect to experience 5-star Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is not good enough, when the customers leave, you will get a bad comment even if you provided meticulous service. Is it that hard to build a 5-star Wi-Fi network? Of course not. But the challenge is that budgets are limited. Reyee Economic Hotel Network Solution. Affordable 5-star Wi-Fi. In guest room, deploy the decorative dual-band wall AP RG RAP 1200P, supported by 802.1 by Wave 2. 4 ports are available for bridging, one of which offers PoE pass-through to connect VoIP phone and IPTV to your gigabit network with no need for extra electrical cables. RGRAP 2200E provides outstanding wireless in lobby, meeting room, and dining room. MU-MIMO technology ensure a concurrent multi-user experience. RGEAP 602 coverage by the big pool outdoor scenario with proven environmental adaptability. Beautiful form, decorated for the hotel. Thanks to a great network. Customers keep in touch with their family online. Smart flow control of the bandwidth for each guest, and better experience for every customer. No need to purchase a portal authentication server. Reyee Cloud Support helps you to boost your business by portal free. Set up the advertisement of the hotel and publish it so that every guest can see your advertisements. Not only that, Reyee provides all the equipment your network needs, including switches, wireless and router. 5-star network, and get it economically.
Ayan. So, pinakita natin yung Reyee overview, hotel scenario. Okay. So, makikita natin dito yung basic Reyee hotel solution topology. So, pinakita din natin kanina yung Reyee, Ruijie hotel solution topology. And ngayon naman is the Reyee hotel solution topology. So, anong mapapansin natin? So, meron tayong router, switches, and access point. So, si Ruijie is a complete set. So, complete set na siya. Mapa-Ruijie and Reyee yan, meron tayong routers, mga switches, access point, meron din mga home Wi-Fi, routers, or gateways, and we have also other devices such as pang bridge natin, wireless bridge, pang point to point. So all-in-one solution na tayo kay Ruijie and Reyee. So no need to do a multi-brand. So hindi mo na kailangan mag multi-brand pa. So different devices. Kung gagamit ka ng router, ibang brand, tapos gagamit ka ng switch, ibang brand, tapos gagamit ka ng access point, ibang brand ulit. So hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng ganong bottleneck. So Ruijie and Reyee provided this for you. So all-in-one solution na tayo. So ayan, so ayan yung basically typical solution or typical topology ng isang hotel natin for Reyee. So for first, the difficult of SUI is which is difficult to do network planning. So I will just share you one of our tools na kayang pwedeng gamitin natin for this kind of issue, or kung gusto nating magplano ng mga access points natin. So we have here, we call this the SSP tool or the Site Survey Planner. So it support both Ruijie and Reyee access point, support one-click to download the heat map report, and also lifetime free to use. So just only need Ruijie Cloud account. So kung may Ruijie Cloud account ka na, yun din yung gagamitin mong account sa SSP natin. So don't worry, SSP is very friendly or user-friendly. And also, kung gusto niyo ng more information kay SSP, so meron tayong another separate workshop for SSP or the Site Survey Planner training natin. So you can try it. You just have to type in your browser yung wiz.ruijienetworks.com .ruijienetworks.com and punta kayo dun sa SSP. So kung gusto niyo ma-experience, so for the meantime. So for second challenge, when difficult to do cabling. So sometimes mahirap magkable. So may access point ka dito and mahirapan ka na magkable doon. So kailangan mo ng another setup. So maaring suggest natin is yung Reyee AP mesh solution natin. So in the future or in the coming days, so magkakaroon ng firmware for our new access points or yung mga Reyee access points natin na magkaroon ng meshing. So dati wala kasi hindi nagsusupport si Reyee natin for mesh. So lahat lang puro wired lang yung ginagamit. So for now, dahil madaming clients na nagtatanong, nag-i-inquire, so napadala natin to sa research and development team natin. So nag-develop sila ng Reyee AP mesh. So magkakaroon na ng meshing for access points natin. So let's share sa inyo yung Reyee AP mesh natin. So ipakita natin yung video.
In the actual project implementation, such as in hotel, office, restaurant, coffee shop, etc., whether new network or replacing, sometimes there are areas that Wi-Fi signal is not good. Just because there is no cable available, new wiring is very troublesome. For example, in a hotel project, signal in the last room is not good, but it's hardly to add cable to the ceiling. Now, with Reyee Mesh, you can extend Wi-Fi without cable. Just connect to the nearest AC power, or add a wall AP to guest room directly with PoE injector power supply. Just a few clicks to join the existing network. Get full Wi-Fi coverage. Same as in hotel restaurant. Overhead wiring is improper in this space, obviously. But with Reyee Mesh, we can add APs without cables, providing high-speed Wi-Fi anywhere to customers. For outdoor space such as a beach or swimming pool, it is difficult to wire overhead or underground as well. But with Reyee Mesh, it's easy to add an outdoor AP without cables to extend Wi-Fi coverage. The CCTV videos can also be transmitted at the same time. In office projects, Reyee Mesh is also very useful. For example, the boss complained bad Wi-Fi in his room. You can add a mesh router to supplement signal without cables. When the newly expanded office is rented, damage the walls or wire in public area will not be allowed. But with Reyee Mesh solution, it's easy to solve. The Reyee Mesh solution supports a maximum of 3 hops, which can meet most of the point complement scenarios. In real projects, there may be some surprises. The Reyee Mesh solution made the extra point much easier. Reyee Mesh solution. Less wiring, more relaxing.
Okay, so may nakapagtanong po sa atin si Sir. How much po ang average latency for mesh deployment? So, sir, hindi pa kita masasagot sa ganyan, sir, kasi this is a future plan. So, I think ang may data pa lang po nito is yung R&D natin. So, hindi pa po natin nasusubukan dito locally. So, pwede po balikan po kita dyan siguro sa ganyang tanong about sa mesh. So, hindi pa po kasi natin na try or natetesting yung gantong deployment. So, I think dine-develop or ila-launch pa lang yung ating mesh. Ayan. So, si Sir, nakatry na pala si Sir Carl. Yung beta natin. Okay. Yan. So, thank you sa pagsagot, Sir Carl. Okay po. So, maybe try din natin yung tanong ni Sir. So, para ma-testing din natin for the beta. So, beta pa lang po ata yung firmware natin na nilabas. Yung new update. Okay, so for advanced service such as portal authentication, it may be need to code or edit XML file to customize a portal page. Okay, so page for customer previously, but now with Reyee solution, you just using the UI management, what you can see is what you get. So it's also support multiple authentication types such as one-click login, yan, voucher login, account login, to help hotel guests and employees natin. So after login, it also support nga yung ating pop-up advertisement page for marketing natin. So very useful for hotels. Okay. Yan. So in post-sales stage, Reyee solution support the real topology. So you can monitor our customer network status and device via the cloud app. So you can put the hotel project in your phone. So makikita natin dito. Ayan. So yung topology niya. So may gateway, may distribution switches or mga access switch, and may mga access points. So when customer network have issue such as AP offline or the camera powered down, you can have an alarm notification in your Ruijie Cloud app. So you can respond to the network failure faster than the customer. So also fast positioning the issue. So you can locate fast track location of the issue. So kung saang switch yan at port. So madali mong malalaman. So if you cannot solve the issue by yourself, so don't worry, you can just share the project to expert and ask for technical support remotely. So no need to go on-site. Yan naman yung ating project sharing. So hindi mo na kailangan i-share yung mismong account mo sa cloud. So hindi mo na ibibigay yung username and password para lang ma-login yung project mo. So yung mismong project, pwede mong i-share sa support na yon, sa technical support, and may mga choices doon kung gaano katagal yung validity. So pwede mong i-limit, kunwari 1 week, 1 month. And then pwede mo ring i-cancel sharing. So kung tapos na yung work na gusto mong mangyari. So easy remote maintenance for Wi-Fi optimization. So another feature, ito yung Wi-Fi optimization. So same as dun sa enterprise natin, meron din siyang Wi-Fi optimization. So to provide a solution for your interference. So sa mga access point, kung may magkakadikit, may mga babaguhin sa radio channel settings. Ayan. So si Cloud din ang bahala. Okay, so we have here the first model for our Wi-Fi 6 AP. We have the RAP 2260E. So this is Reyee AP that has for big projects or yung big madaming tao. So big solution. So kung madami kang traffic or yung paano ba sabihin to? High density scenarios. Yan, mga high density scenarios natin because of the availability of 2.5 gig port natin. So kung may multi-G port ka, so may multi-G ports ka, so you can use this to provide a more bandwidth to your customer. So with AX3200 standard, so meron siyang maximum na 3,200 Mbps wireless performance or throughput. So scenarios suitable such as corridor, banquet hall, restaurant, or big meeting room. So it is a better multi-user experience and high-density scenarios. We have supported up to 500. So maximum niya 500 connection. But for good experience, we recommend 120 concurrent users. So it also has a layer 3 roaming smooth transition. So paano gumagana yung roaming? Ayan, so may dalawang access point na located sa inyong office, ayan, sa point A and sa point B. Then mas malapit ka na doon or mas malakas na yung signal ng isang AP, so kukunin ka niya. So ganun yung tinatawag nating roaming. So smooth transition for roaming. So habang naglalakad ka, wala kang disconnection. So mas malapit ka na dito sa AP na to, so doon ka na kukunin or doon ka na makakonect. So beside 2260E, we also have another indoor APs. We have first two models, the 2200s, yan, yung 2200 ENF natin, yung Wi-Fi 5 natin, and we have the 2260G. And also, hindi lang ceiling AP, meron din tayong wall plate APs for Reyee. So si RAP 1200P and RAP 1200F. So okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Medyo lag yung ating yan. So Yung ating RAP 1200p, ayan, so makikita natin 802.11 AC Wave 2. So Wi-Fi 5, Wave 2. So pinagkaiba niya sa isang model, so si RAP 1200p is meron siyang isang PoE out. Ayan, meron siyang, sa LAN port niya, meron siyang supported na PoE out. So pwede ka mag-connect dyan ng IP camera and IP phone, so mapapower up na niya. And ito si RAP 1200F is Wi-Fi 5. So F is 100 Mbps ports. So meron siyang uplink sa rear and meron siyang downlink dito. So pwede ka mag-connect dyan ng papunta sa laptop. So yung sa ating one-click optimization, ito. So for the hotel, to do optimization, the traditional way is to modify the channels and radius power for each AP one by one. So it will very hard to do kung marami kang access point. Ayan. So kung pare-parehas ng channel settings. So pag kinlik mo si ating Wi-Fi optimization, so this technology allows you to optimize the wireless network by just one click. Ayan. So dati naka-channel 1 default sila lahat. So pagka-click mo ng Wi-Fi optimization, so may iba yung channel settings ng magkakadikit. So para magkaiba-iba. Ayan. So naging channel 6. So hindi na sila same channel yung magkatabi. So no need to configure one by one. Okay, so yun yung indoor natin, indoor access point for Reyee. So we have here also the outdoor. So for outdoor, meron tayong RAP 6260G. Ayan, yung merong SFP port and 1GE ports. So SFP ports, meron siya. So you can connect long distance from the cabinet. And meron din tayong 6262G. So si 6262G naman is ganyan. So upgraded siya sa EAP602 kasi Wi-Fi 6 na siya. And meron din like EAP602, meron siyang 2GE ports. Ayan. So may extra port. So applicable scenarios like swimming pool, parking, ayan, mga beach, garden. So 6260 has 1,775 Mbps throughput and support the highest level or IP rating, which is the IP68 protection. Okay, so sa mga success case, we have here the solution. So the first case is from Indonesia. So this is a system integrator location in 180 kilometers far away. So need 2 to 5 hours driving from one way for SI. Can't do on-site support every time. So in the first project, they used RAP 2200E indoor AP and EAP 602 outdoor AP Wi-Fi with dead spot are eliminated. So based on Ruijie Cloud, SI can solve all the problem remotely. Another example is from Turkey. It is a 5-star hotel with a large swimming pool. So they use 61 pieces of 2260G and 4 pieces of 2260. So Wi-Fi 6 excellent wireless experience. Even though during very crowded pool music event, each user can do social media live share without complaint. So another case from Malaysia. So it is a boutique hotel with 33 guest rooms and it has 3 floors. So in before, they use other brands for their ISP and for their devices. So guests always complain internet. So the AP often break down. So in this case, after using Reyee AP and replace the ISP free router by Reyee router, our partner said, compared to ISP free gateway, after using Reyee router, the network internet service is more stable and smooth than before. So that's really a good solution. Yeah. So, okay, today we introduce two hospitality solution for Ruijie solution and for Reyee solution. Okay, so let's compare them. For Ruijie solution, it support many reliable designs and abundant features like virtual AC, hybrid management, VSU, loop prevention, the 10 kilovolt surge protection. And it's more professional and reliable solution. And for the Reyee solution, it supports many intelligent features such as SON, the self-organizing network feature, scenario-based configuration, so Reyee AP Mesh, easy delivered advanced services, and also useful post-sales tool like SSP. So Reyee solution is leading intelligent cloud. So both of them are very good. So depending on your project. Okay, so ito yung mga hotels worldwide na serving na natin. So ayan yung mga example. Okay, so hindi na natin isa-isahin. So let's go to the Reyee product family. Okay, so we have, sabi nga natin, meron tayong complete set from routers, access point, and switches. So ayan ang ating product family. So meron din tayong unmanaged switch kay Reyee. Meron tayong cloud managed switch or yung ating access switch, the ES200 series switch. And L2 smart gigabit switch, meron tayong NBS 31 or 32. For L2 plus, we have the NBS 5100 or 5200 series. Sa mga access point, we have indoor. So RAP 1200, 2200 rather, F and E. We have the 2260G and E. And for future, meron tayong RAP 2261E. Yan. So in 2022 quarter 4, so this coming quarter. For wall plate AP, RAP 1200F and RAP 1200P. So outdoor bridge, ito yung pang point-to-point natin or point-to-multi-point. EST 310 and EST 350. 1 kilometer kay 310, 5 kilometers kay 350. Sa outdoor AP, so natin, may mga bago. 6260, 6202G, 6260G, ayan. 6260, 6262G, and RAP 6262M. So yung may mesh. And RAP 6261E. Okay, for EG routers, ayan, we have EG105, GW, EG105G version 2, EG210G-E, and may paparating na EG209GS. Yan, so magkakaroon ng SFP port, I think. So may SFP port na yung ating gateway. So dati kasi puro copper ports lang yung merong sa gateways natin na Reyee. And meron ding paparating na EG105GWT. Ayan. And we have the EG105G-P version 2, EG210G-P, and EG305GH-P-T, and EG310GH-E for 300 users. So ayan, may mga bagong ano. So dati hanggang 200 users lang yung ating mga Reyee. So meron na ding paparating na up to 300 na. So for EW, yan pa rin yung ating EW1200 and EW1200G Pro for Wi-Fi 5. For Wi-Fi 6, EW1800GX Pro and EW3200GX Pro. And for Wi-Fi 4, meron tayong new EW300 Pro. So ito yung pangtapat siguro dun sa mga lower models ng competitors natin. So of course, meron tayong Reyee product family, meron din tayong Ruijie for enterprise product family. So cloud managed switches, yan, S7800C series, 6120 series for layer 3, 5760, 5750, and 5300 series. For access point, indoor, may tayong 820, version 3, 810L, and may upcoming na 890 AR, and merong AP8 AP180 version 2. So AP180 for wall plate and AP680 CD for outdoor. And for security gateways, we have EG3000XE, 3250 or 3230. And for upcoming is yung mga NBR series natin, NBR 6205 and NBR 6215. So hindi siya yung NVR na alam natin. So yung NVR na switch and as in victory tapos R. So hindi po yun. So gateway pa rin po ito. Yung model lang is NBR. So malalaman natin yung mga features nito. So sa upcoming. Okay, so I think that would be all. So if may mga questions you can ask, matutulungan naman ako ni Sir Carl if may hindi ako masagot siguro. So yan, and then i-resend natin yung survey link natin for your attendance for today. So pasagutan lang po yung survey link for your attendance for today.